What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today,
more on the S10.
we'll try to finish up the roll cage. I don't think it's happening.
We're gonna patch the floor.
Whatever else,
Work on the roll cage, maybe.
we're gonna do what we can do.
This hot rod stuff is a little expensive. I started looking at little go-karts and dune buggies and stuff. Little Harbor Freight engines you could throw on them. We take them apart and tune them with turbo and do all kinds of stuff. Don't spend no kind of money like these trucks.
Yeah, you're right. That's what I said.
And then you can't sell it. I ain't selling this. You think I ain't giving that much money away? I already told you, when I pass, you gotta bury this with me. It took me 60 years to build that thing, and I'm gonna tell you what, we ain't never took it out on the street. It runs damn good.
Alright, well, I guess we'll cut out the plates first. Get all of them right.
What we using? That's too heavy.
Yeah, I got that other metal right here.
Look, you hear that? That man said, I said, that's heavy. He said, oh, I got a piece. We go all the way to the back and drag out a piece. This is the same stuff. That is as heavy as this. Oh, this might be a tad bit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a tad bit thick. Oh, yeah. Not much, yo.
Alright. What's the plates they sent you? Right there. How thick are they to it?
They're about the same.
Yeah. That's the kind of plate you're supposed to use. The same size.
When you come in through it down, it doesn't sound light. That doesn't bowl.
It ain't like. We're gonna try to hit up cruise night. See what's going on out there.
Didn't even know if they was doing a burnout. It just hit that shit. It was like, it beat the front wheel sliding, and they was like, I'm getting it, I'm getting it.
What the hell is even that?
Oh,
They did too.
no, I was out there
That was
tripping.
a Charger, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A lot of them Chargers was having problems.
There we go. Go ahead. Come on.
Old Mustang guy. He said, back up. He put it in reverse. The other guy's like, no. He backed up, about hit the car behind him. I don't know what he was doing. He didn't know what he was doing.
I don't know if we got that on camera.
He hit his
He did too.
Oh shit, that was hilarious, man. Oh, it's like it's clown world for our clown car. We doing it right. We got some new glasses.
Yeah, you like those?
Yeah. See? Stuff can't get in there.
When I got home, I couldn't get my shit in park. And when I pulled up and backed up, I didn't even have to click it to get it in reverse. It was already like down. And then it wouldn't go in park. I look like Smokey off of Friday.
God damn. Stop your shit. Oh, stop the mother. Yeah.
I kept shoving it up and then letting go of the brake. The truck was rolling back. Had my foot out the door.
The linkage?
I don't know. Something happened. Something with this linkage right here moved. And it was sliding up in between, but it's already in between. I don't know what the hell. Am I going somewhere? Yeah, that's weird.
Does this? Oh no. Does this sit on that? What is messed up steel right here?
No. Oh, there it goes. It is now. See how it went in between there? Yeah.
Oh. Need to tighten this screw.
Oh, yeah. You're gonna have to put some Loctite on that, ain't it?
Yeah, baby's loose. That's that slap you gave it that day. First little easy tap, you broke it.
Yeah, I need to Loctite that. Damn.
That's that aluminum. They let it go. A little soft.
Yeah.
That's why nobody has their covers that run them chippers. They probably keep Allen wrench in here somewhere.
You're probably right. I'm finding out, ain't I?
Yeah,
I'm about
didn't
to
nobody
find out.
tell you.
Yeah.
There wasn't no warning with that. It's just a badass shifter.
Yeah. You just don't run the cover. They ain't trying to be cool. It's just they can't. They gotta keep tightening that shit up. I guess
You
we
gonna
ready.
put it back in gear? We be
Yeah.
over there doing something. Boom, boom. Just put over the curve.
I'm just swinging the people around. I forgot they was on. They should go over all right. Like, what the hell we looking at?
You walking like it. Why you walking like that all of a sudden? You never walk like that.
Just bend it.
Yeah. I hear you. I don't know about that.
Should have pulled it to you had it. It's gonna be too short.
That give me an idea. Nettie. Some skis on the front.
Too short out.
A little too much of a beam.
Could beat it back down. Done too much. Ooh.
Alright. Now you can mark out the road gauge.
Just put a mark right there in the center of it. Mark it across and I cut that off. Welding time! She hates it every time. We gotta give the people an update.
Do I look like I've been working in a foundry?
A foundry?
Yeah.
Well, you M&M? Got your wife beater on?
I ain't even talking my dad. Do I look like I work in a foundry?
With your grinder breath?
Yeah.
Grinder
face.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do too. That's why I was asking that. Look like you straight come off the belt.
We've been grinding and cutting. This is the plates we got cut out here to cover up our gaping holes here.
We're not doing worse, we doing good. We just got a big gaping ass hole in the truck.
So they fit in there pretty decent. We're just gonna weld all of that up around the roll cage to the floor. Here's our patch we made to cover up the double hole over here, the extra hole we didn't have to cut. So we'll get that all welded in. Here it is, y'all. I don't know if y'all want a close-up of them welds. Them some booger welds. What you got over there?
Same thing you got over there.
That's a Hershey's Kiss right there.
Uh-huh. Right here?
Yeah. Yeah. It's welded all the way around.
If you look at all these welds, you find all kinds of different things.
Yeah. It was terrible. A lot of it was the seam sealer. Like some of these panels was overlapped, and when you melt into it hit that seam sealer.
That seam sealer was good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Shit,
It wasn't good for welding.
What's that bar doing?
Oh, I was gonna look at it. This is the bars we're gonna have to put in next time.
Oh, so we gotta cut this side.
Yeah. It goes something like that. To them plates. You gotta put a plate there, one there. And the door bars. We got a pipe bender, we might be able to put our own little bend in it.
Yeah, cause they straight.
Yeah. Might make it some room depending on the door panel. Which I think even with a straight bar it's gonna hit that. This part. Probably. Right in here. I don't know. We'll see.
It looks like we didn't do anything.
Again.
Once again.
He's in the same spot.
But we did.
Yeah. It's all welded in. Both sides.
Looking good, looking good.
Well.
It looks good for us. Shit.
Good enough, huh?
Alright.
The paint cover it up.
If you flip it, it ain't gonna hurt you.
Yeah. We got it burned in there.
It's burned in there. Believe that?
We'll probably run out of gas next weekend. We have to start working on Eddie again.
Shit, I got gas money.
what's up with these bars. If that's sitting there for your seat, that's not back for your seat, but this stops you. That don't make a lot of sense, do it?
No. Good to go. You see that?
What?
See how the whole truck was moving. You want to see it again? Watch the whole truck. That's what that engine gonna do.
Why it's idling?
Yeah, it's gonna sit there.
You think?
I don't know.
All right, guys. That's what we got. We out of daylight. Out of cigarettes
We
for
done
him.
worked overtime again.
In overtime.
Look, it's 8 something. What time is it? Is this 8:30? It's 9 o'clock. It's 8:30, 9 o'clock.
8:22. Putting in more work than we did on that.
Still ain't got out the cab.
Almost. That was the main part,
Yeah,
I think.
that was the hard stuff. Especially after we put all them gaping holes in there. Turned out good.
Yeah.
Even with the gaping holes, it actually helped us. So we could drop it and weld it. We got a good weld on all the bars. All the bars got. That ain't going nowhere. Next race season, y'all. Next race season. Next year.
Next year.
2024.
You think?
At the end of the year.
If you have enough money this year.
Yeah.
It might be 2 more years.
Well, if it keeps raining like it did this week, I ain't gonna have no money.
2024, babe.
This might be 2025, y'all.
Oh well. We always got Eddie to work on.
We always got ahead. I'm gonna go make extra money so we ain't gonna
You gonna start your OnlyFans?
Yeah. I'll leave it out to do it, but yeah.
Yeah.
OnlyFans club. Didn't go to bed until damn 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning
Yeah.
yesterday. This
Yeah.
morning.
Yeah, it was late. I was trying to back in with no reverse lights.
We was
I
out-
couldn't see. It was
we
black.
was out acting like hoodlums. Hoodlums? What you call them?
Yeah, hula. Acting like we're teenagers.
Yeah.
We was out there chilling with the teenagers.
No, we were tired as all over.
Yeah. All right. Y'all hit the like button, subscribe button,
The bell.
bell, all the bells and whistles and buttons you can hit. And I guess that's it. Till next time.
See?
See ya.